Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, iTutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to remember all copied text on your clipboard. This option is available on Windows 10 or Windows 11, and you don't need to install any application. It is just one shortcut. So I'm going to kind of copy some few text to my clipboard. Copy. Let me copy another one. Copy. All right. Let me come to my channel and then copy another one. All right. So I've copied so much text, but I need to remember or get access to the previous ones that I copied. And so to be able to do that, I need to just hit the Windows icon on your keyboard. In addition, with the letter V, and then this is going to show up your your clipboard history. So then you will see anything that you've been able to copy. This is quite very important for especially people who type or who do a lot of writing. That is very important. So apart from remembering your clipboard, it also comes with a ton of features like symbols, which are not available on the normal keyboard. And it comes with other stuff like GIF. You can search for GIFs and use in your projects or your work, emojis, and it's so many things to play with. So this is for you, and I hope you enjoy it. Continue to subscribe to my channel and share this video.